So I came home today to find a package in the mail, and this is probably the most excited I've been over adding an affordable Quartz watch to the collection. It's a really cool reissue that I pre-ordered about 2 months ago. It's been quite a long wait, and I can't wait any longer. So let's get to it and check out the watch. Okay, so yeah, I think it was the first week of March that this watch was brought to my attention by my buddy Jamie from Mad Rock Watches and Adventure. If you haven't seen it, we've been doing a live stream. We're trying to do it every weekend. He's actually been in the process of moving the last 2 weekends and probably will be this weekend too, but he mentioned this, and I hadn't realized they'd come out with this at all until then. This is the second round. They did a batch previous to the March order. One thing with this new batch is they have offered an accessory. This might be a dead giveaway now. Nice looking Jubilee bracelet. But yeah, it's been a long wait for this one, and I'm really excited to finally get it. So here you can see the brand, Momentum Watches, Canadian brand. There we go. And there it is. The C Quartz 30 reissue. Looks awesome. Let's get it off the pillow here. Yeah. I just love that case design. And sorry, a bit of a weird edit here. I had to pause for just a second. Somebody came to the door, but check out that reissue of the Chronosport. Also worn by Tom Selleck, I believe in the first 3 seasons of Magnum PI. Awesome. I'm actually going away to Costa Rica in just a little over a week. So this is going to be one of my vacation watches. So I'll get some footage of the watch beachside, maybe do some adventures with it when I do the follow-up video of the watch. But let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7.25-inch wrist. Coincidentally, my last 2 watch purchases were both Quartz and both Canadian brands. There's videos due to be coming out on both of these. Actually, the last 3 purchases have been Quartz because my purchase before the marathon was an Oceanus. Also due to put together a video on that one for you guys at some point too. So there you go. Looks awesome on the rubber strap, the Tropic strap. I think it's going to look great on that Jubilee too, but we will have to give that a go. So that is it for today. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.